What's up, guys? Today I'm going to deliver trucks to the dealership, and it is bright and early in the morning. In my last video that I did, or actually the second last video I did, blew up when my cousin stole my phone. And I noticed that there was 52 viewers, but I only have 33 subscribers, so subscribe. Okay, so I cannot get in my semi, so, okay, I got in my semi, and now we can go and get the trucks. So they are at the church. Oh. So, good thing it's not busy. These roads aren't busy today because I'm flying through on the other side of the road. And I don't know how to use my turn signal. Oh. Okay, I'm pulling up to where the cars are right now. I don't know where my friend is. I just text them, so. He's at the gas station. The gas station's right around the corner, right there, by the blue gas station. I think that's where he's at. I don't know what bro's doing, but these are my 3 trucks. Okay, my buddy just got here, and I'm just loading up my last car. But I don't know if all those cars will fit, and I have a lot of room left, so I think they'll all fit, though. Yeah, they will. Actually, I don't know. It's a close call. Bro, I need y'all to get me to 50K so I can go live. And I'm gonna screen record while going live. So. Okay. There's that. Whoa, buddy. Yo, this is ugly. What is this thing? Why would the dealership even want this? Will he have room? Yeah, he will. Yeah, that's a tight fit. Okay, so we just got this one loaded, and it fits by like an inch. Like an inch. And try to take wide turns. Oh no, this is tippy. Turn on my caution lights. I cannot go fast on this. Oversized load alert. Ooh, that was close. If I remember, they should be going right here. So I'm gonna back it up. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Holy, about to scrape my ramp. Yeah. Oh no. This does not look good. I think they said to just put them outside. So I'm just gonna take these off. I do like the 7.3. Not bad. I do like all these trucks on this trailer. But that yellow truck, I do not like that. Oof. This one's also pretty nice. Not the best parking job, but brother, oh my gosh. This one blows a lot of smoke. I might have to buy this truck off of them. Good line of truck, but this yellow truck ruins it all, bro. Like, I don't even know how to look at that. Okay, so I can turn these lights back off. Did I put my ramps up? I did. Okay. That was a scary job. Because that got tippy. Bad. Like, that was terrible. Terrible tippy. Okay, looks like he's coming now. He must have been on the phone. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just gonna go back to our house. God dang. Okay, I'm just gonna park right there. Yeah, that's a comment if that's a good parking job, because I think it is. I'm gonna end up I'm gonna end the video off here. Peace.